So, I've had a beer, which isn't the best thing to do when you're bushcrafting, but I've done all the dangerous stuff and I've cut a crap notch because I'm not at my best, and I've burnt the hole in, and I'm using ivy, and I'm using a piece of bamboo. The good thing about the beer and being a little bit drunk is that it's a bit sticky and it gives you a good grip on the spindle, and being a little bit vague also adds to the element of practicing while not in your best capacity. So let's have a little go. I've rolled my pants up just out of respect, really. Catchy boy, come on, away. Come on, good boy. So it seems I've got the ember there. So yeah, good practice anyway.